Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to disable TikTok suggestions from people you may know. If you want to have more control over your TikTok feed and reduce the recommendations from people you may know, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Notifications. Step 6. Look for the option labeled Videos from Accounts You May Know under the Video Suggestions category. Step 7. Disable the toggle switch next to Videos from Accounts You May Know to stop receiving suggestions specifically from people you may know. By following these steps, you can customize your TikTok experience and have more control over the content that appears on your feed. Disabling TikTok suggestions from people you may know allows you to focus on the content that truly matters to you, without being overwhelmed by recommendations from individuals you are familiar with. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more personalized TikTok experience with fewer suggestions from people you may know.